To create door, you will use alternative tool to one that has been used in previous tutorials. It is called Quad Draw tool. First, you need to prepare a plane, rotate 90 degrees, divide one by one, and center to the reference. This will let us use symmetry. Select reference plane and click Make Live option so you can draw on the top of it. Turn on Quad Draw tool and Symmetry. Click the reference surface to create 4 dots to define verticals. A green dot appears and snaps to the surface of the reference mesh. Move cursor over the dots while holding Shift and click to create new surface. Continue to add faces by dropping additional dots and extending existing edges. Drag or middle drag to tweak components. To insert an edge loop, hold down Ctrl, click on the top of the mesh. Turn off symmetry and close space between panels. Turn off Quad tool and make a live option and then delete reference plane. Select door frame and inside panels and extrude them together. Select door panels and bevel them. You can bevel frame edge as well. Next, extend side view of the door and then duplicate door mesh. Switch to top view, select all polygons and then unselect door side view. Delete front view. Remove extra edges and reduce poly count by selecting and merging verticals to center. We'll use this part to boolean door opening later. Thank you.